Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set your Viber to light theme or default theme or the original theme it has all white backgrounds everywhere, unlike now when we have it set to dark theme and it's all black backgrounds everywhere. So let's get started. First we're going to start off by clicking on the settings icon here. That's going to take us to our settings. Next, while we're here, we're gonna select appearance. It's in between media and language. As you can see now, it's set to black. You have dark blue and you have classic. So the light theme that we are searching for is the classic one. As you can see, now it's back to the classic theme. It brightened up our whole screen. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!